In this video, I am going to share how to upload a resume to LinkedIn job application. I have received many mails to make on video how to upload a resume in LinkedIn website. So let's start how to upload a resume in LinkedIn website. If you are applying for job through LinkedIn and not through a company website, you can attach your resume to the application in addition to your applying. Then first you need to create a LinkedIn account using email ID. After login into LinkedIn account, home page will display in the following way. Then click on job button, then the following window will display. You have to select the job button here and then click on the job button. Then a search box and preferred location will display in this window. You can search your job title and also search your preferred location according to your skill set. Then select a job profile which you want to apply. Then the following window will display. After selecting the job profile, click on easy apply button which you are seeing on this window. Then fill the requirement fields and upload your resume in the form of Word document or PDF. Then click on submit application button. Then you successfully upload your resume for particular job profile. So the resume requirements are: the file size must be less than 5 MB. The file format must be Microsoft Word or PDF only. You can attach your resume when applying for jobs through either LinkedIn mobile, web or app. The important note you must remember one thing. If you have trouble attaching your resume, try with a different browser. That's all guys. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.